Hello there guys, what is going on? Welcome to Pure Trading and the market outlook for week number 17. Most of the European markets are closed today for Easter Monday. Low volatility might stick with us in the Forex market for this week as we have a very light risk events calendar. The potential for action in the market could start, however, on Wednesday during the Asian session with the Australian dollar's consumer price index figures. Then later on that Wednesday we have the Canadian dollar monetary policy report and also the bank rate statement for the Bank of Canada. So there is some good potential on Wednesday for some movement. Thursday we have the Japanese yen's monetary policy statement, and for the Swiss franc we might see some movement when my main man Jordan here in Switzerland speaks on behalf of the Swiss National Bank. We could expect this low volatility to continue in for this week. However, guys, in this market it's prudent to expect the unexpected. Let us head over to the chart and let me cover the 8 pairs that I have listed for this week. I'll start off with the Japanese yen versus the United States dollar. So the regular viewers here would already know that I'm bullish on the yen. So I'd be looking to sell the dollar when it gets to the level here, which is the 112.50 levels. So looking for a manipulation in this area over here. For the United States dollar versus the franc, as we can see here, we at a good level at the moment. Prices has broken through the level last week. Now, whether this is a false break or a proper break, nobody really knows. All I'm looking for is a manipulation in this area on the smaller time frame. If I see anything good, I'll take it short towards this trend line over here. United States dollar versus the CAD. We are bullish on the United States dollar, so looking for prices to come back down to retest this minor level and then look for a manipulation on the smaller time frames. New Zealand dollar versus the CAD. Here we have two commodity currencies and there is no fundamental bias for me on this one. What I do on these type of charts is I look for only trend patterns and candlestick patterns, so no fundamental bias. So at the moment prices are at a decent level to look for a manipulation to take prices going long. Something else I forgot to mention with this pair is I do favor the Canadian dollar. I do see it as the strongest of all the commodity currencies. So, but the thing is, where prices are at the moment, I'll be looking to buy the New Zealand dollar. And even if it's not buying it from this level all the way, looking for a target up here, at least just a few pips, perhaps halfway between the two levels. Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc. So here we have a commodity pair or a commodity currency versus a safe haven. In this case, I'll probably want the bias would be to go short. So as soon as prices hits this major level here, I'd look for a manipulation on the lower time frame and then take prices going short. The main goal would be trying to aim for this level and this, and then eventually even that one. So for that reason, with that goal in mind, the best area to short would be here or up here. So whenever I see a manipulation on the lower time frame, I'd be looking for taking prices short. Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar. Here again, we have two commodity currencies, and with this one, I mean, the Australian dollar is the stronger of the two in my opinion. But we can see prices has been coming down all the way, and then the trend has started going up again. So the only option for me here is to look for shorts in this area. As soon as prices is broken through the mean average, I'd look for the shorting opportunity. So here we are at the level at the moment. Prices is broken through, and then I'll be dropping down to the lower time frame looking for shorting opportunities here. Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc. Pound versus the CAD. I am bullish on the pound, so I'd be looking for manipulation in this area. It corresponds to also a little channel and a support or a supply level over here. So I'd be looking to trade this long if I see a manipulation happening in this area over here. And those were the pairs for the week. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and see you at the end of the week for the wrap up and the results. And remember, trade safe and prosper.